Welcome to Big Braids in Crypto. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from reservation somewhere, taking a look at NCT and a few other coins to continue the night. Well, let's get it started. Taking a look at NCT. NCT made a couple runs at that 618 at 0.0353. Couldn't quite grab some support. Got rejected. Definitely had some decent consolidation. Tried to make another run at it. Definitely got rejected. Could possibly be coming back down to test this support at the 786 at 0.0307. Could be setting up with that sideways scenario like we were talking about with the BTC being so undecided. As far as making moves to the upside and getting that bullish scenario, we definitely got to get a bounce off the support here and start making moves up to this 618 at 0.0353. Grab some support consolidation. Start making our moves up to the upside. We definitely get over this 0.0404 as far as getting bullish moves to the upside. An extremely bullish scenario. We definitely got to get over this 0.0436. Grab some support and consolidation. Start making moves to the side. We definitely keep an eye on that 0.0330 support at the 786. If we do go back down and test that support, and if we do lose that support, definitely going to see some lower price action. And so keep an eye on that support, keep an eye on BTC. Definitely excited to see where we're going as far as NCT. I seen this start moving a few times. I definitely looked at it a few times, but I wasn't quite making it over that 618. And with BTC's movement at this point, I'd definitely be excited if it had some FU money, was making some moves to the upside. Definitely excited to see where we're going with NCT. We'll do some follow-up videos tomorrow and see where we're going. Moving on up to Scale. Scale is coming in at 0.1264. Tried to make some moves to the upside. Definitely, could possibly be seeing some sideways action. Let me zoom out to the year to date. Scale's been actually doing a lot of consolidation over time. And definitely get some amazing price action coming in at 0.1264. I've been keeping an eye on that bearish butterfly scenario as well. There's a few coins that I've been keeping an eye on, so when I start seeing this scenario here, I definitely start looking for some lower price action. Haven't quite got it, but it is coming in at 0.12604, and definitely got a micro fib going on there, just above the 0.0504. If we do come back down and test that support at 0.054, I'm definitely out here looking for that sub 5 cent mark. Am I going to get that price action? It just remains to be seen. Could possibly be getting sideways action with BTC being so undecided. As far as making some moves to the upside and get some decent recovery, we got to make our way up to the 786 at 0.3299, grab some support and consolidation, make our way up to the 618 at 0.5493, and as getting extremely bullish scenario moves to the upside, we got to make our way up to this $4 and grab some support consolidation, make our way up to this $35 and get that breakout action moves to the upside. So that would be the extremely bullish scenario moves to the upside. Definitely excited to see where we're going with Scale, coming at amazing price action at 0.1263, but definitely could possibly see that sideways action with BTC being so undecided. A lot of news out there pushing the market, so we definitely keep an eye on that. Things could change quick, so definitely keep an eye on that news and keep an eye on BTC. We'll do a follow-up video on Scale tomorrow and see where we're going. Moving on up to ACH. ACH is coming in at 0.0467. Definitely get some amazing price action. Let me get a zoom out to the 15-minute chart here. Looks like ACH is just kind of trucking along here. Let's see if we can get it down 6 months here. Let's take a look. There we go. ACH has just been hanging out underneath that 786 for a little bit. I've been kind of, hopefully been trying to expect some moves to the upside. ACH just been hearing it everywhere. It's been, every time you go into like a bank or something or try to send some money, it's always the ACH program, which is kind of, pretty cool. So, but, definitely coming in at 0.0467. It's just underneath that support at the 0.0475. So as far as making some moves to the upside, we definitely got to make it over that 0.0475, grab support consolidation, make our way up to the 786 at 0.0511 for some decent recovery and moves to the upside. As far as getting some, bullish moves to the upside, we definitely got to make our way up to this 618 at 0.0539, excuse me, and grab some support consolidation, start making our moves to the upside. And as far as getting that extremely bullish scenario moves to the upside, we got to get over that 0.0602 and make our way up to that 0.0642. grab some support consolidation, start making some moves to the upside. So we got that action as far as breakout action moves to the upside. Definitely excited to see where we're going as far as ACH. Could possibly be setting up with that sideways action with BTC being so undecided. So this scenario could possibly be playing out. If we do lose that support and we do get rejected here at the 0.0475, could possibly get some pullback, lower price action. Definitely keep an eye on that bearish butterfly scenario that, definitely kind of looks like it's playing out, but could possibly getting that decent bounce and then moves to the upside. So keep an eye on that action as far as ACH, and keep an eye on that price action on BTC. We'll do some follow-up videos tomorrow and see where we're at. Definitely excited to see where we're going through the week. Moving on up to API3. API3 is coming in at 752, up 3%. Could possibly be making some moves up to the upside. Definitely excited to see where we're going with API3. Came back down, gave some, got price action, and could possibly be making some moves to the upside. Looks like it's getting a bounce on that 0.5 line at 743, and made some moves to the upside. Definitely got some consolidation back down to that 618, and made its way back up above that 0.5 line at just above 743. If we do get some catch some support and consolidation, start making some moves to the upside, we got to make our way up over this 863. And as far as getting some extremely bullish moves and move breakout action, we got to get over this 970 and grab some strong support and consolidation, make our moves to the upside. So, definitely excited for everybody that's in API3. If we do get some pullback, we definitely got to keep an eye on the support at the 689, at the 618. If we lose that support, could possibly consolidate down to the 786 at 613. If we lose that support at 613, definitely looking around for some lower price action. So this scenario that we were setting up could possibly be at play, especially with BTC being so undecided. But as far as BTC making some moves to the upside, could possibly get some moves to the upside on API3. So, definitely keep an eye on that price action, but, could possibly get some sideways action, especially with the, a lot of the news in the market. And, basically, it's nice to see BTC up above 42,000 for everything that's holding right now. So definitely excited to see where we're going throughout the week. So everybody in API3, good luck. We'll do a follow-up video tomorrow and see where we're at. Coming in at just little bit over 3% on a makeup. So definitely excited to see where we're going as far as API3. Moving on to Iotx. Iotx coming in at 0.1042, still getting a little bit of consolidation. Tried to make some moves to the upside. Let me zoom out to the 6-month time frame here. I believe we had to go out to the year to the date because we've been definitely consolidating along for quite some time. We're still underneath that 786. Could possibly be setting up with the sideways scenario like we were talking about in the last video. If we do get some dippy action, we definitely got to keep an eye on that 0.06602 support. If we lose that support, definitely be in that how low can you go scenario. As far as making some moves to the upside, we got to get over this 786 at 0.1366, grab some support consolidation, start making our moves up to the upside. And as far as getting that bullish action and moves to the upside, we got to get over that 618 at 0.1921, grab some support consolidation, and make our way up to this 0.3183. As far as getting some extremely bullish action and moves to the upside, we get through this 0.3962, grab some support consolidation, and get that breakout action to the upside. So keep an eye on that action. Keep an eye on that support at 0.060. If we do lower price action, definitely could be that sideways action with BTC being so undecided. So keep an eye on that price action, keep an eye on BTC, and keep an eye on the news. The news could really change that market in the instant. So, everybody and all the coins we talked about tonight, good luck. And you always remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So you also have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night. Mr. Big Braids is signing out.